We want a Wales for all children, where all children feel safe, healthy and heard, where children know about their rights and how to access them. In Wales, our public services play a vital role in making children's rights real. Public sector partnerships, such as public services boards and regional partnership boards, must consider the needs of children, especially those facing poverty or disadvantage, and involve them in shaping well-being plans, promote participation in decision-making, and recognise children as stakeholders in their work. Laws and frameworks require services to involve and listen to children and act in their best interests. But how do we do this in practice? By using the right way, a children's rights approach from the Children's Commissioner for Wales and the Wales Observatory on Human Rights and Social Justice. It's built on 5 principles. Embedding means putting children's rights at the heart of planning. You can do this by training staff on children's rights, integrating rights into well-being assessments, and using children's rights impact assessments when making decisions. Equality and non-discrimination means fairness for all children. That includes identifying inequalities like those faced by disabled children, Black, Asian and minority ethnic children, or care-experienced youth, and using data to plan better services. Empowerment means helping children understand and use their rights. You can create safe, inclusive spaces where children feel confident to speak up, and run awareness campaigns that help children know their rights. Participation means listening to children's voices and acting on them. This could mean co-designing local well-being plans or using the national participation standards to ensure involvement is meaningful, inclusive and safe. Accountability means being answerable to children. You can report progress publicly and feed back to children on how their views have shaped decisions. Together, we can build a Wales where every child's voice is heard and their rights are at the heart of local services. Find out more at gov.wales/children's rights, childcomwales.org.uk and childreninwales.org.uk.